Okay guys, so this is going to be the end of this video. I'm doing a part 2, which will be me like organizing all of my clothes and everything else in my room that needs to be organized. I haven't cleaned my room in weeks, and yeah, this is the aftermath. Every few weeks I actually change my room around, and my room has been like this. Well, not like this, but in the state it was in. Not dirty, but the way I had it rearranged for like a month, maybe a little over a month, and that's pretty long for me. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a quick little overview how I decided to put my bedroom. And then also I'm gonna take the curtain rods down from up here and remove the rest of the pictures later. I'm gonna move this and put that over my closet, and I have to buy some white blackout curtains to go in front of this so that my closet can finally look not like this. Still have all of these on the floor. I'll leave these for tomorrow because I'm tired. I have work tomorrow and I want to get up early to kind of get the rest of this finished. My drawers are actually also a mess, so you guys can tell like everything is pretty much stuffed in here. And then I've gotten some new clothes for my birthday from my cousin, thanks chum, and I need to go through my closet. I'm gonna order a few clothes from Shein in the next few weeks too, so I really need to go through this and sort through the clothes, and whatever I don't want is gonna be given away. If not, given to my little sister or cousins, whoever wants the clothes. Yeah, I can't wait to actually get this whole thing finished with. But I love the way that my room looks. I don't know, and I love my bed on this side. I've never had it like this, so it's kind of new. Not gonna lie, it's taking up quite a bit of space. Thank you so much for watching. I look like a complete greaseball, but if you enjoyed part 1, then definitely give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you can see when I do part 2, which is me actually organizing my room and kind of doing everything else besides just rearranging it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and be sure to follow my Instagram, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.